أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم baseka ndoza mujeno sauda mujeno baseka seka kukenya bwabacha ino muzindala kuwele sisi watu abali eweru bamanye kigenda akampisewa muzindala ne mami aje mami nayo onekana kupewa Never been as a one now. Right Honorable Speaker, the people you're meeting today is part of the brief family and team. These are the Musbauddin, who are his lead team and core, who hold fort with him always. Every once a month we sit in this sitting room and do prayers with him. In the last 3 years we've lost about 7 people who have been sitting with us here, and now is the 7th. But we are firm that it's God who wills, and Allah says if He wishes, none of us can overturn His wish. Right Honorable Speaker, you have my uncles, paternal uncles, you have my family. This Professor Gerald Mutumba, watu waita Taata. Taata Mutumba naye wali, omulala wali wano. My wife is also here. And my sisters that are here, Nsereko, led by Baba Nasim, Baba Nanteke. All these are my sisters. My brothers are still outside preparing, and you'll also see. Right Honorable Speaker, that's Council Sauda, whom I follow closely. Nasimwa, my elder sister, Nanteke there, Mastura, Favinta, all of them here. If I'm introducing them by name, actually, all must say Salam Alaikum in chorus. And I had this apparent last born is this one. You can come, Hawa. She's our last born. Hawa. She's the baby of our heart. She's my baby sister. She's my baby sister here. But the rest are younger than me a bit. They are not old, but we relate well. But the senior most is Nanteke there. Then we have our mothers. Our mothers are also present. Mama Moinala Luano, Motore Salam, Mama Musa, Mama Skaje, Mama Kajansi, Abongo Kuno Yanaima Nimweda Wemuriba Mam. Motore Salam,
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
So when you look at that lady there, immediately my mom, and you look at my late mom, I think you pick a resemblance. Yes. Now that one comes second after my uncle here. This is my uncle who gave my mom to my late dad. Uncle Sulaiman Miti is here, and there are many. Some are here, Baba Stuka. Some are traveling and arriving tonight. Of course, I have a brother who has one eye, but he prefers to sit down. I don't know why he's relegating himself. Honorable Right Honorable Speaker, Commissioner Afoyotian is also here, and the Honorable Wetombola is here, but there is also Honorable Kawalia is seated outside. The history Honorable Wetombola has is that when her late mom was in ICU during COVID time, at the same time her dad was also in high dependent. So Al-Hadi's team was attending to her late mom, and that's how she knew that they knew that her mom had passed on during that tough period. So Al-Hadi used to go with Mehdi, who is in UK now, and pick up the food for her late mom and take twice because no one would enter during that tough period. Thank you for not forgetting and for standing with us. There are very many people that worked with Al-Haj in Radio Uganda, UBC, where he served, I think, from 1972 to about 1997. Then he joined and became the first speaker of KCCA. When this position of speakership was introduced, he was elected as a councillor and became the speaker under the late John Sewana Kizito. And he chaired the organization of speakers. He was the chairperson of the Speakers Association, Local Government Association of Uganda for quite a long time, until he was appointed RDC of Chenjojo when he retired. He didn't contest again, but the Lagos was the president, and he was appointed RDC. He was retired as RDC and deployed again to UBC as a director, a position he served until his contract expired and he retired gracefully. He has been living at home and doing consultancy. So he was a journalist by profession and by training. He went to Senator Damal Mandal Primary School, which is Bat Valley Primary School. He was born in Kampala, and then later to Chibuli Senior Secondary School, where he also advanced to UMI. He was part of the Ghana Management Institute's alumni, and also went to Azhar University in Egypt, where he graduated and performed very well as a journalist. He performed with accolade families that associate under the Misbah-uddin of Nakuru. That Nakuru team where there was Dr. Chikuru, Al-Hadi Mami's side. Al-Hadi Sheikh Ruwalida there is his confidant, as many sheikhs. Which Tigwa is the Robert Kasule. Worked with Al-Hadi for a long time as the presidential advisor on the issues of Uganda. We recognize you, sir, and we recognize your distinguished work. Mr. Wamagana is from the Council of Elders Habib of the National Resistance Movement in Kampala. He's also seated here. He worked with Al-Hadi. Mzee Kagwa Kafero is also struggling with cancer, but is doing very well. He lives and works with Al-Hadi. Professor Gerald Mutumba is our uncle, is our blood. In our blood we have Christians and we have Muslims coming from the same root, and we all coexist very well. Is our uncle, paternal uncle, and the Deputy Supreme Court of Kampala, who deputizes Sheikh Buswali. Yes, Sheikh Sekanja, Office of the Supreme Mufti, is also here. Right, Honorable Speaker, we only have to thank you. You know Al-Hadi in person, and you're a friend of this family. Thank you for coming, and thank you for associating with us during this time of grief. When our parents passed on, I was there, and you are also here. For sure, we need nothing from you. All we need is your companionship, and you've shown it. Your friendship, and really honoring your speaker from your speaker's alumni. For me, it's the pride he would have looked for. Al-Hadi didn't want a lot in life. Panado knows. He always told him, for me, small is enough. And we are proud that you're here. We really, really, really are proud of you. As a family, you're here as a friend to the family, but as also the speaker, the number 3 of this country. And we appreciate it. Let us be. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar. Yeah, so right, Honorable Speaker, if you want to say something, you say it to us in confidence anytime, but I would like to take you through to public to share your words with them. Hajati, Right Honorable Speaker, Anita Annette. Mbegayidde enkola yaffe Speaker bw'atuuka muyimirira mwenna kuwono si muntu wa bulijjo. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah, 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 Muhammadur Rasulullah. Banne bwe mwetuulira kati Oweekitiibwa Sipiika againe katuule wansi nga mmwe kubanga azze kungubaga ekitiibwa akireseeyo. Allahu akbar, la ilaha illallah, Allahu akbar, Allahu akbar. Oweekitiibwa Sipiika La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah. Aba media mwenge tuse Jeyafuddemu namawulire munnammwe naye bali tebalabirako ddala bomu basazeeyo. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah, Oweekitiibwa Speaker, Right Honorable Speaker, Anita Among Magogo, tusanyuse okulabako olwaleero newankubadde tuli mu nnaku. Tukwebaza nnyo nti bwe wawulidde amawulire g'okufaawo ogwa Alhaji wankubiriddewo era n'ontegeeza nti buli kimu ojja kulaba ng'oyimirirawo naffe. Takbir. La ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar, Allahu akbar, walillahil hamd. Mukama waffe olwafunye amawulire gano y'omu ku baasoose okunkubira era n'antegeeza nti ayimiridde wamu naffe. Mukama waffe Alhaji abadde amumanyi ng'omuntu, si nti yamusanga busanzi ku paaka oba bano baawulira obuwulizi. Nga wano ku mikolo gyonna egyayijja egyalingawo Sipiika aba yeetabamu ebiseera ebisinga najja era yamulabako ng'omuntu amusinkana. Oweekitiibwa Sipiika, tukwebaza ffe ab'omu maka gano nti si kyangu nnyo okuba ne mukamaawo ng'olina obuzibu n'asitukiramu najja. Naye olwategedde n'otegeeza nti buli kimu nja kukola buli kisoboka tulabe ng'omukolo gutambula paka nkya, ate nja kubaawo kati ne mu kuziika nja kubaawo. Takbir. Okusabira abantu babiri edduwa beŋŋanza olutalo Sipiika ne Basaali. Abalwana bonna balwana abantu bano, tewaliwo nsonga ndala. Bayimirirawo ne bagaa nti nedda katukole ekituufu ekya Katonda. Sebo tukwebaza nnyo ekyo kitangaala kye musitudde paka ewa Allah. Mukama wange mbadde ndukuyitiramu ngenda tujabulajabula nga Alhaji aŋŋamba ngenda kulya muwogo wange ne mugano atapa naga wacha wewe hii ntakula nayogeramu ne ku Luswahili ne mugano laika wali mujasi naye asali simple journalist man ndiwa naye obulamu bwagala muwogo ono n'alyako katono naye naŋŋamba sisobola kujeemera oli taata wange ngenda kulya enkoko ne baleeta enkoko ya kafe Javas naye naŋŋamba ndya naawe bw'olya wali tugenda kulya abo ne muzzukulu we n'amugamba gwe you say you don't eat you eat on time sijui tandika naawe okulya wali ffenna ne tulya ne babula mukwano gwo gwe twabadde olwamaze okulya naga twekubyemu ebifaananyi mulimba ki tuula wano twakubye ebifaananyi ebyasoose baitonobo sipiika nga ntudde muzzukulu atudde wakati nga ye atudde wano nze ntudde wano naga tukikyuse buli omu akwate ku taata we wejangu wano okwate ku nze naga gwe muzzukulu dda wali okwate ku kitaawo nze nange naga nze siina gwe nkwatako naye naga do you know the meaning of this picture naga babula kuba kino kyenjagala naga sirabye flash olaika okukubya empewo ebyammwe sibikkiriza eby'ennaku zino biyinza kuba ne mugaa kikino naga this is the right picture this generation tugenda ne mugaa ekigambe naga tugenda gwe towakana mwe muddako bano ne basembayo naga saagadde okyuse eno tyuni oteekewo ono tobba bibuuzo gwaddawo ku fronti ono ye namba ki kyava ntumya briefcase n'agitumya omwana sikaali namugaa bring my briefcase namugaa Raj you still have a briefcase naga we are old men we have our briefcases naga in fact they are to bring them but still young in P1 do you still remember the code namugaa I remember it naga open nenzikula nanga mazenze nebwenfa now you know my codes nanga let me show you two pictures najjayo naga mesaalongo bano balabye abaana bange balongo nakato ne babiri nagamba buzzukulu we naga don't joke with me naga now this is my wife najjayo ekifaananyi with him and my late mom nagamba muzzukulu we it seems I'm going to follow my wife very soon. I'm sure. Ne muganda yalaadi osaaga kati omwana ono muto azze kulaba ate omuganga bw'ogenda ino bitegeera nti this is reality. Najjayo ekifaananyi ekirala eky'embaga ye ne maama. Naga young man, don't Yagala mwogeremu amaanyi agaleeta sipiika. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah. Right, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you so much, Alhaji Nsereko. Assalamu alaikum. Before I say something, I want to first give the chairperson of the Muslim community in Parliament to first greet you, Alhaji Asman Basalwa.
Happy that you've been able to give me some 2 minutes. Abakulembeze mukadde waffe Ssebushese Mambo ne team yonna abali wano. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala atugamba mu surati al-Baqara, Abdullahi minash shaitani rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim, wa bashshir sabirin alladhina hum idha asabatuhum musibatun qalu inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Muganda wange Alhaji Nsereko, aye eyo n'ebigambo bya Mungu ebyo twagala bikubeezeewo paka bwe tunaawerekera muzeeyi era nga bwe yagamba muwaye eyo nti Mungu atukema, si kyekyo, aleeta ebikemo ebyenjawulo, atugezesa, si kyekyo, n'aleeta obulwadde, n'aleeta enjala, n'aleeta obwavu, n'aleeta n'okufa n'ebirala, naye n'agamba wabashiru swabiriin, sanyusa abagumiikiriza, si kyekyo, bagumiikiriza embeera eno bw'eba etuuseyo ne bajjukira nti inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raaji'uun. Mukadde waffe Mufti, abantu boogera ekigambo ekyo tebamanyi gye kiva, buli akwata omuzira n'agamba inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi raaji'uun, aya erina gy'eva. Ali Speaker ngambye nze chairperson mu Muslim Parliamentary Caucus. So